Hello everyone. This is my van. Oh shit. Hey. This is my van. I've been planning a lot for my van, doing sketches and stuff. I'm gonna start my build today. I'm gonna replace the vents and the dashboard. Yeah, hopefully that's not too hard. We'll take it from there. So here's just like my original van design that I made. Yeah, it had like one of those polo bench beds. So now I'm thinking something kind of like this, where this is the door here, you walk in, there's counter space here, there's like a U-shaped bench. That table, I'm thinking I'm gonna have it on like one of those monitor stands I can just bring out, or no, like a pull one that just comes from underneath the counter, because I don't want to have like a stand on the floor that just gets in the way and I'm gonna bump my toes on. Then I'll have like a little thing that goes to the roof here, like a little storage space, or I'm gonna put my water jug so I can just pour water out of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have some cargo nets, hopefully. Food crates underneath there, fridge. And I had this idea of like closing off the bed with a little wall with a circle that kind of looks futuristic and some more little windows there. I'm not sure how that's gonna look or if I'm gonna want to do it in the end, but you're eating M&M cereal. Do you want to open it? Oh! So as you can see, the old vents are completely just wrecked, blown out. There's mold on it and everything. Absolutely disgusting. See, I added this cheetah print steering wheel, super swaggy.
This is the inside of the van from... Well, this is my brother's van.
Well guys, that was a lot easier than I thought. It really took no time at all. I found a bunch of mold in the vents too. It's disgusting. Clean. Aha! There's a wire apparently I have to disconnect back here. Yeah, there it is. You know what the kids nowadays say. Yeet! Okay, so now, let's get the other one. I just wanted to point out how absolutely disgusting it is back there. On this tire, it's missing one of the, I don't even know what to call it. I'm gonna put that on right now. Okay guys, I'm just in my basement right now. I'm just gonna go through some of the stuff I got from my van. A lot of it I got for Christmas. Let's see what this is. Transmission fluid dipstick. You have to order them separately. They don't come with the van. It does have instructions though, so that's good. I have a door handle I ordered off Amazon. Comes with another set of keys because the other one's rusted out and it broke. So I got this microfiber towel. Awesome. Quick drying. Then I also got this Canada Coast to Coast book. It tells you everything, like main attractions and things you can do in every city in Canada. I also got this futuristic looking stove, which I think will be perfect for the theme of my van. It's electric, so I'm not sure if it'll actually run off the batteries and solar power in my van, but I'll have to try it out. Then I also got some like vintage Tupperware so I got this like yellow strainer. And oh, I have this orange and yellow storage box. And inside it's got like all these compartments that you can slide around and take them out. Continuing the Tupperware, I have these square plates. Variety of colors. Yellow, orange. Also have just 2 food storage containers, and then I got these sick cups. I love the brown one, but yeah, brown. Whoa. And of course I got a first aid kit. Got this for Christmas as well. That's pretty sweet. That's all I have so far.
We were cleaning, clearly, because it's dirty. Well, it's not anymore. Well, it's better now. And we ran upon some things. The first thing was 2 flies stuck together under the mirror.
Oh, I don't want to open it.
Oh my god, it's so much
Anyways.
it's so much grosser. So I was minding my own business and cleaning my door here. And then I saw a gap. AKA a wasp or a hornet. Whatever you want to call it.
Dun, dun, dun. Can you see it? Where is it? I didn't even look at it yet.
That's disgusting. So
Well, good morning everybody. It is currently around 7:30 a.m. This is the earliest I've ever been up. I just seen the sunset. I just seen the sunrise. I haven't seen the sunrise in like 2 years probably. No, that's a lie. Probably a year. Realistically a year. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up a desk to use as a countertop in my van because hopefully it'll fit perfectly. It looks like it'll fit perfectly. Yeah.
So many weapons, I pick one.
Yeah.
Chopper, alien.
So that was heavy. It's got like this glass sliding doors, and when I was driving they don't make any noise or rattle or anything. Yes, it's missing the handle, but oh, yeah, it's actually not missing it. Just right here, and the screws are also in there. It also came with like other wood I can use, so that's pretty good too.